Hello guys, in this video I will be walking you through my DevOps project, which is an end-to-end deployment of a full-stack blogging application. And this project demonstrates how to automate the entire software delivery lifecycle using modern DevOps tools, from building the app to deploying and monitoring it into the production. So this is a production-grade blogging application built using Spring Boot on the backend and deployed on AWS EKS with complete automation. And the app allows users to create, edit, and delete blog posts, and behind the scene, it runs through a full CI/CD pipeline that includes code quality checks, security scans, artifact management, and monitoring. And the tools used in this project is, let me walk you through the tools that I have used in this project. So for the backend API, I have used Spring Boot, and Docker is used for containerization, and Kubernetes is used for the orchestration of the containers, and Terraform is used for infrastructure as code. And as you can see, those are the tools I have used in the project. So to tell you about the flow of the project, here's how the pipeline works. The developer first pushes the code into the GitHub, and after that, Jenkins automatically picks it up and triggers the pipeline. And it starts with compiling and unit testing the code using Maven. Next, it performs static code analysis with SonarQube to check for bugs or vulnerabilities. And then 3B scans the Docker image for any security issues. So once the build passes all quality checks, the jar file is uploaded to Nexus repo, and the Docker image is built and pushed to the container registry. So finally, the Terraform provisions the infrastructure, and Jenkins deploys the app to AWS EKS. Once deployed, users can access the full stack blogging app, and all performance matrices are monitored in Prometheus and Grafana dashboard. So to tell you more about the infrastructure setup, let me show you my EKS Terraform code for the EKS. So the AWS setup includes 7 EC2 instances, and one each for Jenkins, SonarQube, Nexus, and monitoring, which are Grafana and Prometheus, and along with Kubernetes master node and 2 worker nodes. So Terraform basically automates all of this. So the cluster, networking, and IAM configuration are provisioned with just a few commands. And once the application is live, Prometheus continuously collects metrics like pod health and resource users, while Grafana visualizes these metrics through beautiful dashboards. And if any component goes down or behaves abnormally, alerts can be sent via email using SMTP integration configured in Jenkins. So the front end of the application is simple yet functional. It includes a login page, a home page showing all the blocks, and add page for creating new ones. So it's lightweight and perfect for demonstrating how DevOps pipeline manages full stack deployment efficiently. So to conclude, this projects bring together every stages of DevOps lifecycle, from infrastructure provisioning with Terraform to automated CI/CD with Jenkins, and code quality assurance with SonarQube and Tribe, and artifact management with Nexus, and finally real-time monitoring using Prometheus and Grafana. So it's a perfect example how automation, containerization, and orchestration can come together to build reliable, secure, and scalable application in the cloud. So let me show you the code files which I have posted in the GitHub repo, which you can just go ahead and then quickly see what I have done. So I would like to say, so this is the README file, so you can just go through the README and get more detail on the project and how you can quickly like set it up if you want to replicate on your own machine. So that's about it. Thank you, guys.